Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that an NFT marketplace is coming to Coinbase. This is actually big news. The second thing, it's all about Stripe, because Stripe is building a new crypto team for payment, and this could be massive as well. And let's talk about another news, which is all about SEBA Bank introduces a program for clients to earn yield on crypto. So we're talking about the bank and you can earn yield on crypto. Guys, all this in today's video. And if you would like to get the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news every weekday, the only thing they have to do, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because I bring you the freshest, as I said, every weekday. And hit the like button if you think this content is great and you would like to spread it to other people on YouTube, because this is how YouTube algorithm works. You should like it and you should watch it, and then it will push it to other people as well. Check out the links under this video. Free course, for instance, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, many useful links you can save money with, and so on and so forth. And now let's jump in to the market and let's have a look at how the price looks like. So at the present, we can see that Bitcoin is at 54,833. So now we see actually Bitcoin going down 4% in 24 hours, which gives a kind of relief for alts, because now alts can go a bit better. Look at even Binance went up 15%. But when we're looking at the top gainers, you see number one, Binance Coin. Then we see Purchase Protocol 14% up, Stacks 14%, and so on and so forth. So after a couple of days, altcoins going a little bit down and Bitcoin slightly up. Now we see a little altcoin moves. It's always like this when Bitcoin it's a little bit down or sideways, so it's not a massive crash what we're experiencing right now. When we're looking at the losers, we see MDX minus 6%, eCash minus 6%, and Filecoin also minus 4%. You can see Bitcoin 4 down. So actually the market it's looking pretty strong at the moment as well. When we're looking at the Bitcoin price, then we can see actually I drew here this trend line because I think, you know, it's matching at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. And we had this trend line slightly, but just slightly, and this is not strong, broken here. But straight away, as you can see, Bitcoin price, here we go, went actually here, down here on the 4-hour one. So we couldn't break it, because if we break this, we could actually go further up. So definitely here I have my levels, see the blue levels. You know, first we have here around the 52 one where Bitcoin can come back. Also to 48, I do think it's possible. And then once again, go ahead. And this would be actually healthy in my opinion. Therefore, we can see also a slight change in the Bitcoin dominance. And actually, I was looking at it as a double bottom. This is the double bottom and this is the neckline. Then if we reach this here, it can break out to, this is the Bitcoin dominance, to around 58%. It's a possibility. We're not there yet. I'm just talking about a scenario which is kind of can happen if the kind of bull run for Bitcoin continues. Right now, as you can see here on the daily, yesterday and today, the Bitcoin dominance is actually dropping compared to alts, and now we are back to 44. Even we had it actually higher before it. Another thing, what we should look at, when we're talking about FOMO and, you know, people getting really interested and hot about crypto, Bitcoin price, it's, as you can see now, 50, what was that? I totally forgot it. 54. Okay, so it's 54,000. 64.65 is the all-time high. So getting to it. And look, when you're searching the word buy Bitcoin, so for those who are not sure how to do it, but you know, they FOMO in because they hear it in news that, okay, this is some hot topic, they're nowhere near to this. Look, this is what we had back in 2017. It was a sharp increase. And then here we had this in January after having Bitcoin breaking all-time high, in December, the 20,000 level. Then we had a peak here, nothing too close to this. And look where we are right now. In general terms, when you're searching on the word buy crypto, yes, now we had a very big interest here around, what was that? Yeah, put it this way, May. In May, it went up. How to buy crypto. People were like really interested, not just Bitcoin, crypto in general. But look where we are right now. So even that we're getting closer and closer to all-time high, it's nothing happening. So imagine what's happening when the retail investors turn up. Because the guys who are pushing the market are the institutional investors. Here is this website, Bitcoin Treasury. And here, if you look at the total, when we looking at, public companies which are own Bitcoin, and this is a kind of long list, then ETF that owns Bitcoin, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, and so on and so forth. And there we have here some countries as well. Where are the countries? Countries and governments. Here you can see Bulgaria, Ukraine, obviously El Salvador now, and Georgia, and yeah. So these are the guys who are heavily buying now Bitcoin. And if you look at zoom in, then you see that category for ETFs, there are 816,379 Bitcoin. When we're looking at the countries in sum, in total, we have 260,636. Then we have public companies. I'm not going to read this out. Private companies. And the total we're talking about, as you can see, it's a pretty huge number. About 1.5 million Bitcoin already, which is 7% of the 21 million, which will be the future supply. Right now, 18.8 is out, roughly speaking. So, in this number, it's actually growing. So these are the guys who are buying heavily Bitcoin right now. Not the retail. FOMO is not here yet. If that's coming, imagine where the price can go. And now let's move on to the news. The news is all about, first is about Coinbase, as NFT marketplace is coming to Coinbase. NFTs are definitely hot in this year. We could see this very big increase in January and February at the beginning of the year. Then we had, when we're looking at the games, Axie Infinity and all the others in the summer, how they have performed. And NFT basically is nothing else than a digital signature, which you can see on the blockchain. Therefore, you can prove your digital ownership. So this is the bottom line. And there we have the JPEGs and the collectibles and so many other things. And Coinbase is one of the biggest exchanges, and many people trust Coinbase. Therefore, it's very important that they coming up with their NFT marketplace. So they said here that today we are announcing Coinbase NFT, a peer-to-peer marketplace that will make minting, purchasing, showcasing, and discovering NFTs easier than ever. Just the Coinbase helped millions of people access Bitcoin for the first time in an easy and trusted way. We want to do the same for the NFTs. So we know what Coinbase is all about. It's just an easy way to buy crypto. Not the cheapest necessary, but the easiest, one of the easiest. And actually important that you can join the waiting list today for early access. And they also developing a community. So they're saying that buying and selling will be the core feature of Coinbase NFT. We will have a vibrant, secure marketplace, but we believe we can do much more. We are designing for social engagement by fostering connections. Coinbase NFT will help creators, collectors, and fans build community based on your interest. We will curate your personal feed. Your profile will showcase all your NFTs in one place, helping you connect with like-minded fans or artists. The social element shapes the future by sharing passions, brightening new collaborations, and firing up the imagination. So Just like what we have, Binance has already its NFT marketplace, and Coinbase joined the game. This actually pushing NFTs even higher and making more popular. So in my opinion, NFTs are definitely one of the hot thing in the future, and partly definitely in the present, and Coinbase is joining the game as well. Okay, another big news today, I think, is that Stripe is building now a new crypto team for payment. Stripe is a very, very big company, which, when it comes to maybe you not see that you're using Stripe, but if you do some kind of payments online, then in the background, you do use Stripe in many ways. And now this company builds a new crypto team for payments. And here you can see that the 100 billion company, so this is what Stripe is returning to crypto sector 3 years after it pulled back from offering Bitcoin support due to its slow transaction times and rising fees. So they started kind of early with this, and then it pulled it back because slow transactions and everything. But now everything is changing with this kind of new payment ways with layer 2s and other blockchains. So the move to accept crypto payments comes after major competitors include Square, PayPal, MasterCard, and Square have all entered the crypto sector. Square launched BTC trading via its Cash App in 2018. PayPal launched crypto support for US customers in October 2020, while MasterCard announced in February this year that it would support multiple crypto assets on its network. So all this brings, everybody to the game, and of course Stripe cannot be left out. And because just think how it works. You, for example, would like to wherever country you live, using your own currency. In Europe, for instance, you can say euro, but you're buying something now from the US. So whoever is selling that product in the US would like to receive USD, and they don't care what you pay with. At the end, they're getting USD. So this is kind of Stripe doing in the back. And look, now it would be that you're using your crypto, using your whatever Ethereum, Bitcoin, or whatever that it will be available for. And then at the end of the day, the merchant, they receive their fiat currency if they wish. And guess what? How much would that actually increase the use of crypto, making crypto again easy to use in our everyday life? So I think this is definitely huge. Here you can see, by the way, oops, what's that? Okay, so here's a Stripe website. It's a payment infrastructure for the internet. And if you're not sure what the company is doing, you can check the website as well. Okay, next news. The next one is all about a bank, which clients can earn now yield on crypto, and this is coming from a bank. So this is one thing that you, for example, joining a crypto exchange, and there you can earn yield with your crypto. But a bank, to do this, it's kind of unique. And look, now we have SEBA Bank introduces a program for clients to earn yield on crypto. Well, let's zoom in to see all better. So digital asset platform SEBA Bank has introduced a product that will allow clients to earn yield on crypto holdings. SEBA Earn will let institutions generate income from proof-of-stake protocols such like Polkadot, Tezos, and Cardano, with other networks being added over time. So more are coming. The platform will also enable investors to lend Bitcoin and Ether through SEBA Bank, the company said on Wednesday. So also lending will be possible through Bitcoin and Ether. The Swiss financial regulator, FINMA, licensed SEBA, say it will be the first fully regulated bank to offer investors access to yield in decentralized finance protocols. And this is massive, guys, because this is when finally a bank can do it that other banks will join the game as well. And we're not just talking about now crypto custody, we can actually talking about how clients can earn yield on crypto. And now it goes to the institutional investors. However, the future could be that also the retail investors could join the game. So the smaller guys. So this is very, very interesting. And it again shows that there's a big interest from the bank side, from institutional side, they're getting into crypto. And when they getting in crypto, then even more money will flow in, which will increase the crypto market cap as well. So good news. So far, so good. And yes, don't forget, if you like this kind of content, smash the like button and also subscribe to this channel if you would like to get this fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news every weekday. And guys, see you tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye-bye.